In this video, I will show you how to wash a duvet just like this one over here on your washing machine. Now over here, I have a Hisense 10 kg wash and dry washing machine, but it doesn't really matter the type of washing machine you're using, whether you're using a Samsung washing machine or an LG washing machine or a Maxi washing machine, whatever washing machine you're using, this video should give you some tips on how to wash any duvet on your washing machine. Now first things first, what you want to keep in mind is never to insert a duvet that is way too bigger than your washing machine to wash on the washing machine. And the reason for this is basically because even though the washing machine might just struggle to wash it, at the end of the day you're still going to be having particles of your powders on the washing machine, and sometimes the washing machine may not properly wash it. So depending on your bed size and the size of your duvet, make sure that it can properly fit into your washing machine before you actually choose to wash it using a washing machine. And so the first step you want to take to properly wash any duvet on your washing machine is to simply go ahead and apply your stain remover to all of the stained parts. In my case over here, I have this hypo stain remover. It is basically for white, and that is why I am using it in this white duvet over here. And so first thing you want to do is to go ahead and apply your stain remover to all of the stained parts on your duvet. Now you can literally see my duvet over here, and I actually do not have so much stained parts in this particular duvet, but you can just go ahead and apply it to all of the parts that might actually be stained on the duvet. Make sure you properly apply them. So for instance, if you have stain in a particular place, you just want to go ahead and apply the stain remover in that particular part of your duvet. And then the next step you actually want to take is to properly fold up the duvet. Now there is actually a stipulated way to fold your duvet before putting it inside of the washing machine. And to do that, basically you want to open up the duvet just like this. Make sure it is widely opened, and then you just want to fold it from one end to another. So hold it just like this, and then just fold it just like this. So hold it from one end to another, and then fold it, and then come again to this particular end, and then fold it once again. Now once you're done folding it like this, you also want to make sure you fold it vertically. So fold it just like this from one end to the other end of the duvet, just like this. Now this will also help the washing machine to properly wash up the duvet. So do it again just like this, and at the end of the day you should have something just like this before putting it inside of your washing machine. So I'll just go ahead and open up my washing machine just like so, and then insert the duvet just the same way I have folded it inside of the washing machine, just like so. And you can literally see that it actually fits properly inside of the washing machine. Now once you're done, you want to close it up. Now everything is ready, and so you want to go ahead and add your detergent. At this point, you also want to make sure that you actually use a very good detergent that does not harm the duvet at all. So open up the detergent compartment of your washing machine, and then just go ahead and add enough detergent into the detergent compartment of your washing machine. So I'll go ahead and add mine. Now one thing I actually always do whenever I want to wash duvet is to also make sure that I actually add my stain remover to the detergent as well. Just a little bit of the stain remover to the detergent so that it can properly mix up with the clothes and remove all of the stains possible it can remove from the duvet. So I'll go ahead and add my stain remover, just a little bit of it inside of the detergent over here, and then close it up just like so. Now finally, you also want to make sure that you set your washing machine to wash at cotton level. Now depending on the washing machine you have, unlike this Hisense wash and dry washing machine over here, you may not have the cotton option as you can see in this particular washing machine. However, what you can actually do in whatever washing machine you're using, just make sure that you choose the washing type that indicates that a strong or heavy clothes is actually being washed on the washing machine. So if there is no cotton, just make sure you choose something that can properly wash up the duvet, because duvet, like you already know, are heavy materials. Another thing you also want to note is that you shouldn't be washing your duvet together with other clothing on your washing machine. So if you're washing duvet, you don't want to go ahead and add up more clothes. And then finally, you want to make sure that the temperature level is actually set to high, because in this case I am washing a white duvet And so I actually need the water to be a little bit, warm so that it can properly wash it for me. So make sure that your temperature is a little bit high. One thing you actually want to do is to make sure that from time to time you go ahead and add more detergent to the detergent compartment of your washing machine, especially if your washing machine has different wash section within a particular wash. Now this will enable you to be able to wash the duvet properly for you. So from time to time you want to go ahead and add more detergent until that particular wash section is finished. And then once all of this is set, you want to go ahead and click on the start button on your washing machine.